Just a quick video today, everybody. If you've been watching the channel, you know we've been turning my old Ford Focus into a battle car, taking it off-road. It's actually been about 35-40 miles on four-wheeler track. It's never been close to being stuck, but I'm kind of thinking it needs a little more ground clearance. Looking around, there's obviously not much in the way of lift kits for these, but I was poking around under here, and all we really got to do is keep the springs from collapsing, and look at that. We got plywood that just about fits. So I went to Home Depot, 20 bucks worth of wood, and here's our lift kit. And pay no attention to the deadly rust over here. That's all getting replaced soon. But let's lower it down. I can't think of any way this could go wrong. Oh, man. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's about a 3-inch lift. All right, let's do the front. That's pretty good. It's up about 2 or 3 inches, I'd say. It's a little low in the front, but it works. We got almost SUV ground clearance. Yeah, no problem. Okay, obviously there's not much suspension travel. And pay no attention to the creaks, but I think that's a good trade-off for the increased ground clearance. Mostly I'm worried about getting over big rocks and boulders. And I'm not worried about the creaking. I think it's just settling in. It's actually surprisingly smooth. I mean, it's a little bouncy, but I'm going over the bumps. There's no rattling, there's no banging. For 10 bucks, I think this is a really good lift kit.
Man, he's driving slow.
Look at it bounce.
You're good now.
Oh, man. That actually drove way better than I thought it was going to. Can't wait to take this thing off-road. It's going to clear everything. If anybody's interested in lifting their Focus, let me know. I might put a kit together and sell it in my shop. Thanks for watching, and check back for more videos soon.